Hello, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex, and I'm going to show you how I make another version of this card. This is my entry to this week's Global Design Project, which is a theme challenge of leaves, and so I have picked out one of my favourites from the new catalogue, Forever Fern. I'm using the images of this, and I'm making a birthday card, so I'm using the sentiment from Fancy Phrases. It's very simple, thick whisper white for the base, and this is a sheet of A4 that has been trimmed down to 14.8 centimeters, and then it's scored at 14.8 centimeters to make a nice square card base. And I wanted to incorporate one of these lovely embellishments from the Forever Gold specialty paper. They're just absolutely gorgeous, and they do actually come as part of the Forever Greenery suite, and I think they're absolutely lovely. And I've used the stitch shaped frameless and the layering circle dies to create a little label, and this is the second largest circle, and then there's a little scalloped circle there, and that's Night of Navy. So I'm just gonna get on and open my ink pads. I've got Balmy Blue, Coastal Cabana, Misty Moonlight, and Night of Navy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little die here, make a couple of pencil marks so I can see where I'm going to stamp. I'm going to start with this one. Check that. This is just absolutely beautiful. And I'm not going to worry about the centre because, as you can kind of guess, it will be covered over. So let's go for the next largest one. This is the Misty Moonlight. These stamps are just absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, that's very similar in colour, isn't it? Maybe I should have stamped off. Not going to worry about it too much. I come in with Coastal Cabana, and you can see that I'm just kind of filling in. Oh, that is just such a beautiful colour. I'm going to fill in the spots that I can see. I'm not worried about it crossing over. Actually, I'm going to put one there, and I think this lightens it up quite a bit. So do I need another one? I do like odd numbers, so I'm going to pop one there. And then I've got these two little stamps, and I'm just going to pop those. Say I've got two on one bit here. I'm just going to keep twisting round, and I'm just sort of filling in a little bit. Lovely. And then I have got the little sort of speckled bit, and I'm going to use that, but I'm going to stamp off and you can see I'm just randomly going over, making sure I go in the right stamps ink pad. That would be disastrous if I did the, well, it wouldn't be disastrous because nobody knows what this is supposed to be look like. And I just think that gives it a really nice lift. So test that out. I am happy with that. So what I'm going to do, I am going to stick that one straight down in the middle. Roughly. And so what I'm going to do, I've got birthday wishes, and it doesn't really matter. I'm surprised. I have re-inked my Night of Navy, and I think that's where I've kind of gone wrong. Well, not wrong, a little bit. I'm just going to pop one of each of these stamps, but I'm stamping off so it goes even lighter. I'm going to stick that flat on there, and I just love seeing that little pop of colour underneath. And then with some dimensionals, I've got mini dimensionals here. They're just little foam pads. I do sell all of the items that I'm sharing with you today on my Stamping Up store, and there will be a link below so you can click through for details. And there we are. That's the outside, and then on the inside, now I haven't cleaned any of these off, and I've kind of done that on purpose because I want to use these very lightly along there. So there we go, birthday wishes. Fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye bye for now.